What are we doing right now, bud? Are we watching a lightning show? Where are they? Where are they? You're not gonna talk? There's Sydney. Sydney will talk.
A lightning show way at the mountain. Remember? Sydney? That she remembered.
She remembered?
Yeah. A lightning show way at the mountain.
Mm-hmm. You can see yourself on the camera right now, huh?
Yeah.
Ah!
Steady.
Whoa, that was a loud one.
Yeah.
Better go brush your teeth. Go brush your teeth. Oh, who's that coming out? No comment? You not feeling good still? Watching a little lightning storm. Hey, Sydney. Sydney. What are you doing? Whoa. That was a loud one, huh?